So dear track fans, welcome back to the YouTube channel. And in case this happens to be your first time here on this YouTube channel, before we continue, please do me a favor to make sure you subscribe. Now we will be talking about the very sad outing of the Jamaican men 4x400 meter relay in Bahamas. They failed to qualify for the Paris Olympic, and it seems like nobody wants to talk about this whole situation and this whole issue, because we all know Jamaica are known to be very dominating, and the Jamaican 4x400 meter team not qualifying for the Olympics, I feel like is a very big no, and at the same time a very big disgrace to the Jamaican Athletics Association, because we all know that Jamaica are always winning. So what happened? What really happened? And I've seen a lot of people saying that the reason why the Jamaican men 4x400 meters failed to qualify for the Olympics at the Bahamas Relay is simply because they did not send their A-list athlete. What I mean is they failed to send the best of the best among their 400-meter runners from Jamaica, and that is the reason why they failed to qualify at the Bahamas Relay. And let me be sharing what one of the biggest content creator from Jamaica have to say about this situation. Now he said, as of right now, Jamaica will not have a male 4x400 meter team at the Paris Olympics. Jamaica was not one of the 14 that automatically qualified to the Olympics, and their time of 2 minutes 59 seconds point 34 put them behind France and Zambia, meaning Team Jamaica is also not currently one of the two teams that will qualify by times. Team Jamaica has until June 30 to go faster than 2 minutes 59 seconds point 12, or risk the male 4x400 meter team watching the Olympics from the sidelines. Now, as you can clearly see from what I read, this guy is trying to let you guys know, understand that Jamaica has a chance to qualify for the Olympics, but they have to beat the Zambian time of 2 minutes 59 seconds point 12 if they want to qualify for the Paris Olympic. But as I'm speaking to you right now, Jamaica has not yet qualified for the Paris Olympic, and it's going to be a very hard it's gonna be a very hard aim in order for them to qualify. If they could have qualified automatically at the Bahamas Relay, it could have been much more easier than qualifying by times, because getting first, second at Bahamas could have been much more easier. What do you think is the reason why Jamaica is finally not qualifying for the Paris Olympic in 4x400 meter? Who do you think are to be blamed? Do you think the coaches are the ones to be blamed for selecting weak athletes to represent Jamaica at the Bahamas Relay 2024? Or do you think the athletes? I will be sharing some of the reactions by some Jamaican fans. Now, this guy from Jamaica, Debbie Lessal, he said they should have kept the same team and shift them. So what he means is Jamaica should have kept the same team and shift the people who represent them at the Bahamas Relay. I feel like he really has a point, because Jamaica should have replaced the team with strong runners in the 400 meter rather than selecting the weak ones. Now, another reaction from a Jamaican fan said, I would have felt better with the KC team from Champs going out there to say he is our NRH. He is an absolute shame. Well, I don't really know what she's talking about, but definitely if you are a Jamaican watching this, you should understand what this lady is, the message she is trying to pass. So this is one of the reaction from the poor performers, um, from the men 4x100 meter relay Jamaican team at the Bahamas.